Hi there. So most of us, most young people like myself and other young people in Africa and in Nigeria have made a lot of money from e-commerce. Personally, I know how many millions I've made. In fact, I cannot count. We have bought cars. We have started different businesses from the money with the money we generated from e-commerce. All right. We've started several other businesses with the money we generated from e-commerce. So this is to tell you that e-commerce is highly and super profitable. Like e-commerce is one of the businesses that you can start now and you're going to see millions of money. It's an assurance. I'm not telling you what I heard. I'm telling you what I've experienced. I am very proud and humbled at the same time to say that e-commerce is part of the businesses that changed my life completely as someone from Nigeria. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you 7 top reasons why newbies don't succeed at e-commerce, especially in Nigeria and in other African countries. 7 top reasons why newbies they struggle to make success and then they fail at e-commerce. No fluff, no time wasting. Let's get started. The reason number one is because they sell common products. And then when you sell these common products, they hope to make millions. You know, you don't know how to do product research. E-commerce, one of the things that would help you make more money or make more sales is your ability to research for hot selling products. In Nigeria, we call it hot selling products, but in other parts of the world, it is called winning products. Your ability to research and identify winning products will set you apart. I mean, if you begin to sell common products that people can just walk into the market and see or find, then they're not going to buy from you. Do you know how much we make in e-commerce? We can buy a product for 5,000 naira, for instance, and then we sell it for up to 25,000 because people cannot find those products commonly. So they have to buy from us when they see our advert. So if you sell a product that everyone knows where to go and buy it, they will not buy from you when you put those kind of profit margin. So the first reason, the most common reason why people fail at e-commerce, especially newbies, is because they lack the knowledge of product research. They sell common products. If you want to make money in e-commerce, you must stay away from very common products that people can find from neighboring stores, from neighboring markets. No, those are not products you will sell. You have to sell hot, in-demand products, winning products that people cannot easily find. So they have no choice than to buy it from you. Okay, let's go to the second number. Secondly, they don't test enough products. See, the truth that you need to know is that e-commerce is going to take some money from you first before it starts giving you money. Although in some cases, some people are lucky. Like people like myself, I will not say it's knowledge or talent. Luck played a huge part or a huge role in my own success in e-commerce because I can just start to test a product today by saying maybe I'm spending 3,000 per ad set, and maybe I have 5 different ad sets testing different angles of the product, and then all the things are working, and I'm getting orders and I'm getting sales. Immediately start working. It's luck. You can't say that it's because you know these things too much. No, you are lucky because during the testing phase, you are spending money on advertising, and most newbies do not actually have this money to test. In fact, sometimes they test with 1,000 naira per day. You cannot get anything testing with that amount. All right. So one of the things that makes newbies to fail, that makes them lose hope and lose confidence completely in e-commerce is because they don't test enough products. You cannot completely be sure of the products that we sell faster until you begin to test different products. Then once you find that one winning product, you double down on it. For instance, if you have 3 assets running at a go, each asset is costing you 3,000 naira. It means that every day you're spending 9,000. Okay? It means that if you don't make sale that day, 9,000 naira has gone. If you don't make sale the next day, another 9,000 naira has gone. That's 18k. So most newbies do not have this money, and I understand it. But if you test these ad sets, 3 of them, and one of them is giving you 5 orders per day, while the other 2 are not performing well, you leave it for 3 days. If after the third day, that one is still giving you orders. It means that you have to stop the other two assets and put more money in the one that is giving you better results. How do you put this money? You duplicate it and put more money, and then you start cashing out. But the problem is with most newbies, and you can't blame them, they don't have this kind of finance that we have. So when people say put money in advert, most of us are speaking from a place of privilege, a place of comfort. You don't really know what most of these people are suffering. I mean, people just want to escape the trenches. They don't really have a lot of money. And they're telling them to put more money on advert. Where would they get the money from? Even the small money that they have, they are putting on advert. They're not seeing results. So I understand that kind of thing. But if you really want to succeed at e-commerce, you must have to invest in testing different products. Third one is they depend on a single ad account. This is one thing that will drive you nuts. I promise you, Facebook ads will drive you nuts. If you're using just one ad account for your e-commerce, they are going to drive you nuts. See, the way Facebook ban, even if you're not doing anything, even if you are following their rule, they can just ban you for nothing. They can restrict your ad account for nothing. So you cannot afford to use just a single ad account for your e-commerce business. It is going to be frustrating for you. Honestly, you cannot afford it. You need more than one ad account. You need up to 3 ad accounts on standby waiting, so that if Facebook restricts one, you move to the other one. Because if you are dulling, if you keep asking, sir, my ad account was banned, how do I've not been running adverts, you are not serious. We can't help it. Facebook do not even care about us. Okay? They don't care about us. But we can't help it. We have to keep the business running. And the best way to keep the business running is to have more ad accounts that would keep being active while we continue to, to look at ways to resolve the ones that has been banned. Okay, so when they ban you, you appeal it, but while you are still waiting, move to the next ad account. So if you're a newbie to e-commerce, you cannot afford to have one ad account. It's a suicide mission. Come back from there. By the way, my name is Courage. You already know, yeah? You already know my name is Courage. Please like this video if you're enjoying it. Give it a thumbs up so that more people get to see my video. If you are new here and you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. Let's go to the fourth one. Yes, newbies, they have this very slow delivery. I saw one advert sometime on Facebook and I decided to buy. I just wanted to buy to test. I wanted to go through their funnel first, because I always go through funnels. I want to go through their funnel and then buy the product they're selling just to see how it. But the delivery process was slow. Newbies, I knew that the person was just a newbie. See, if I am selling a product and you're in Kaduna, you're in Abuja, you're in Port Harcourt, if you order for my product today, you will receive it tomorrow. So when we are saying that we are making this money, it's not by magic, it's by work. It's by hard work. My delivery process is not slow. It's swift. It's smooth. 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 When you order today in Abuja, I'm in Lagos, but when you order today in Abuja, you will receive it tomorrow morning. Why? Because I have a chain of self-delivery agents who are going to easily deliver these products for me. So what I do is that I buy from the supplier, and then I send it to different locations so that the delivery agents will hold it standby. So that once order comes in, I tell them and they deliver immediately without delay, because the money does not waste. The money exchanges hands fast. When you start wasting time, people will start giving you excuses. They will use the money on something else. You cannot spend my money on something else. I am paying money for adverts. Baba, if you place order, if you don't get it today, you get it tomorrow. No time to waste. Don't have a slow delivery process, else you will not make quick money, and then not quick money rather, else you will struggle to succeed in e-commerce business here in Nigeria. Fifth problem they have is that they always have a low ad budget and poor creative. See, gone are those days when you will spend 1,000 or 2,000 on ads and you will see results, massive results. No way. These days, even with 3K, even with 3,000 naira per day on ads, you will still struggle. So if you have a low ad budget, you are going to struggle. I'm sorry to say that. Also, your ad creative, that is your videos. If you are going ahead to download videos online to use and promote your product, you will struggle. You will be suffering yourself. I tell my students, all my students, they know these things. They always make their own videos by themselves. They buy the product. They buy one product. If, for instance, I'm selling this product, you know what I will do? I will order for one of it. I will buy it. I will have it, and I will use it, and I'll see how it works, and I will make a video with the product. I will pay somebody to come and do the video. I will video the person with the product, explaining how it works. I will watermark the video. I will not use it to start running adverts. That's how we made over 70 million naira selling what's it called? Selling a blender, because I made the video myself. I have other videos that I pay people to do for me. I cannot download video online and use it. No, I've gone beyond that. So your budget must not be low. You can spend at least 3K a day. Yeah, you try from there. When you start getting more money, you increase. Okay, and then your creative, which is your copy and your video and pictures, must be crisp and lovely. 6, they have poor knowledge of Facebook ads. You know that in e-commerce in Nigeria and in Africa, we use Facebook ads to generate traffic and to make sales. If you have poor knowledge of Facebook ads, you're not going to make sales. I'm sorry. It's going to be a very tough struggle for you. So if I were you, I'll just settle down. In fact, I've made a video on how to run adverts for e-commerce, Facebook advert. I will link it in the description below. I think I might also link it up here. All right, but just search on YouTube on my channel. Go through my e-commerce channel, through my Facebook ads profile. You will see my Facebook ads playlist on my channel. Go there, watch those videos on Facebook ads. Learn how to set up proper e-commerce adverts that would help you make more sales and get more money, because there's money in e-commerce. So there's money. You see me now. It's not like I'm a rich man. I'm not a rich man. I'm not a wealthy man, but I know they suffer. I can never go back to the trenches again. Right? I can travel to anywhere I want to travel to. I can afford most of the things I want to afford. Yes, I'm not a rich man, but at least I can afford a decent life. Why? E-commerce. You too can afford the same. Just learn the basic skills that have the basic knowledge that would help you get the right results. Number 7, they have a make money quick mindset. Quick money. They want to make quick money. So when they don't see this quick money, they begin to lose focus. They begin to lose hope. They begin to lose momentum. I hope you have liked this video. I beg, like this video. This will give me joy, because I want more people to see this video. I want you to share this video with many people that will find it helpful. Also, if you have any questions, if you have any comments, feel free to ask in the comment section below. One more thing, you are going to see people in the comment section posting WhatsApp number with my picture, claiming to be me, asking you to contact them for more information. Don't contact anybody that drops their WhatsApp number in the comment section of a YouTube channel. I am not the person. They are not me. I am not them. I don't know them. They are scammers. They are fraudsters. They are going to take your money for vanishing. All right? If you want to contact me, go to my Twitter handle, the link there, or my Instagram bio. The link there has my WhatsApp number. Go there and contact me. Don't contact anybody on YouTube claiming to be me. I do not drop my WhatsApp number on YouTube comment section. Back to what we are saying. People want to make quick money. So when they don't see that quick money, they lose momentum, they lose hope, they give up. Don't be like that. There's no quick money anywhere. You have to put in some work first before you begin to see results. So these are the 7 points I just wanted to list out to help you in your e-commerce business. If you have not gotten my e-commerce course, I will leave the link to the course in the description of this video. Go there, get my course. It's just 5,000 naira. That course will teach you everything you need to know as a beginner in e-commerce. You will learn Facebook ads, WhatsApp ads. You will learn how to research for products. You will learn how to find suppliers. You will learn how to identify hot selling products. You will learn many things. I also gave out some numbers of some suppliers in that video, in that course. So go there. I will leave the link to the course in the description. Go get it. I will also leave the link to the course in the first comment that I will pin under this channel. Go there, get the course and learn. All right. If you found this video helpful, please like, leave a comment, share the video also. People need to learn. And of course, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. My name is Courage Ngele. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. I will answer you in the comments below. Yes, that's it. I will see you in my next video, guys. Cheers.